Everybody's born a winner. If you only just believe. Yeah. Close your eyes.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, thank you for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, OG. So if you're following me on Twitter, you would see, or you might have seen, that I am going on an egg white diet. So I'm going to be filming and recording recipes that I try out, results I get, and all of that. And one of my subscribers, Temi Johnson Adegoke, she sent me a recipe for an egg custard. Okay, so yeah, for the egg custard, she said you would need milk, sugar, egg whites, grounded pepper if you like, and yeah, and that's it. So she said you mix the milk and sugar, you break egg and remove the yolk, add to the egg, add the milk and sugar to the egg white, stir, add grounded pepper, pour mix in small nylon and cook like moi moi. Those of you that know moi moi, you should know what moi moi is. So yeah, but the gag is, in this video I am not going to use normal, like, I'm not going to break an egg and remove the egg whites from the egg yolk. I'm actually going to be using egg powder. Okay, egg powder. I'm actually going to be using egg powder, and I might sprinkle in some protein powder with the milk just to add some more nutrients. So if you want to see how I make egg custard with egg white powder, please keep on watching. Well, first off, I am going to mix the milk first. I am using cowbell. Yeah, this is cowbell, right? Yeah, I'm using cowbell. And honestly, I don't have a specific measurement. I'm just going to use my discretion. So I'm pouring in some milk, yeah, some cowbell, and I am going to add, now I am adding the protein powder. I bought this from Bulk Barn a couple of weeks ago. I'm just going to add a teaspoon of protein powder. Next, I am going to add in sugar. I am using I think 4 cubes of brown sugar. So I'm going to add that into it. I'm going to add water and mix it all up. I have put the milk mixture aside, and now I'm going to mix the egg. So this is the egg powder I'm going to be using. It is called canned eggs. Pack I showed you contains about 90 eggs. Yeah, it's equivalent to about egg whites from 90 eggs. So I am going to take a couple spoons of the powdered egg white, and I'm going to mix it all up with water.
Close your eyes and come and see it now. Oh, don't you worry about a thing now. 'Cause if you work hard, you can get it if you want. If you strive hard.
After mixing all of that up, I still had like some powder lumps, so I decided to sieve it out. Best idea ever. So I got a sieve and I poured the egg white powder and the water. I poured it into the sieve, and then it sieved out all the powdered part, and then I had complete egg whites, perfect egg whites. It looks exactly like egg whites. because I mean it is egg white. So I'm going to mix it with the milk mixture that I made earlier. I'm going to mix all that up. I added in some cinnamon powder and a tiny teeny weeny bit of black pepper. Yeah, a teeny weeny bit of black pepper. And yeah, that's it. So I mixed it all up, and I didn't have nylon. Normally the recipe Temi sent to me was that I should use nylon like normal moi moi or modern day moi moi, but I didn't have nylon, so I decided to use a cup. So I had this plastic cup, and that's what I used. So I poured the mixture in there, and then we move to the next step.
You can be just what you want if you work hard. You can climb the mountain top. 'Cause nothing is too small. Nothing is too big.
I'm filling this pot with water on the cooker, and I am going to place the cup with the mixture inside of it, cover it up, and allow it to cook for about I think about 15 minutes. I was cooking on medium heat. Is it? Yeah, medium heat. And so I'm going to let it cook for about 15 minutes and then get back to it. So the egg custard is on fire now. Just a few things I want you guys to note. After I mixed the powder into the water, and I had to whisk it. I whisked it for up to like 10 minutes so before I was comfortable with the consistency. And then there were still powder chunks in it, so I sieved it. I used a sieve, and what came out was like pure egg white. So that is a go. One other thing. Okay, the recipe said use nylon, but I didn't have nylon, so I decided to use a small plastic cup. I hope that works. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. So let's wait for our egg custard to be ready. After I took it out of the pot, I put it in the fridge to cool down a bit, because I mean this is dessert. Who takes desserts hot? So I just put it in the fridge and allowed it to sit for maybe about 30 minutes to 1 hour before I took it out. So yeah, that's how I am making. This is my first time using egg white powder, and it came out pretty nice. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever used egg white powder for anything, and if you've ever tried egg custard. Let me know if you liked it. Also drop some other recipes in the comment section that I can make from egg whites. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.